Oh, I missed that one on camera.
To my chest. What the fuck? You bitch. No. Stay. Stay. I can't get up. Every time I get my slip. Not this.
It's Tom. It's the diamond underneath till you shine. Oh.
You want to touch it? Wait. Rub on me, baby. Whoa. I don't want to get up. Me either.
Sarah, Sam, jump on her.
I can't. No! I can't get up. I'm gonna die.
Are you okay there?
Oh God! Oh God! Oh! Are they trying to catch you? No. Okay. Damn. Why do I have this thing bag on? Up against the wall. I'm really just gonna jump on you, okay? I just let the pillow go. No, because I don't want to like hit your body. Okay? Okay. Oh dear God. Oh dear God. This isn't gonna end well. You might want to move forward just in case we fall back. Oh, we should. I should tackle you to the ground. Oh yeah.
Yes.
To hit you. Oh yeah. What if we totally missed this? There's more pillows. No. There's more pillows.
See past Friday night.
Alright, let's go. I can't talk to him. Just hit me.
Wait, hold on. We need to see the facial expressions.
Oh, awesome.
Okay, go.
Awesome.
Have a little faith, and you'll see. Go.
I'm scared. She really hurt me.
A letter to me.